it might help from different view, from different people, so that whoever up there is looking for a job and
Okay, hello, come back again in ORIE'S Expat Live. So again in the part 2. So now my friend Hissein will share with us about his experience working in here, and maybe you can learn a lot more from him. He's coming from other countries. This is really interesting too. Hi Hissein, how are you?
Hi, hello, I'm good.
Thank you for coming, Hissein. Maybe you can introduce yourself first before I give you some question, okay?
Thank you very much. First of all, thank you for inviting me here today to have me here. My name is Hissein Djibrine of the Rasool. I am currently working in Petronas as a Senior Project Control Engineer.
How long you already work here?
Currently, I have been working in the company for the last 10 years within the same position as a Project Control Engineer.
Are you finished your degree in Malaysia or?
Yes, indeed. I was one of the graduates in the University Technology Petronas, known as UTP. I was graduated there as a chemical engineer.
Oh, chemical engineer, yeah?
Right.
Okay. So maybe thank you very much for your introduction. Can you share with us the first time you apply here, how you can get this job?
Right, I think I would say I was a bit lucky because at that time when I was in UTP, I actually had submitted my application, and I think I had attended the so-called interview session with Petronas, structure interview, and I managed to get the recommendation for a job placement. Somewhat after my actual graduation, I went back to my country, and I think I worked for 2 years before coming and joining Petronas.
Oh, okay. So you are really lucky, yeah? Get the job after finish your study here.
I consider myself lucky at that time.
Okay. And then can you share with us, because you said you already here for 10 years, yeah? Almost lah, more than 10 years lah. So what kind of the challenging when you are working in the overseas, especially in Malaysia?
Right, I think there are a number of challenges. First of all is the working culture. Despite I study here, the working culture, I need to adapt to the working culture, yeah? Because one of it I would mention is the language itself, knowing that I am a foreigner in this land, and some of the culture into the language is, when you don't know the language itself, sometimes it's very challenging. That is the first challenge. And the second challenge is as a junior working staff, we have to step up. We have to step up to make ourselves to get ready in terms of working and getting the experience and to get the work done. So one of the challenges is we have to face is we have to step up in order to stand for ourselves, for us to grow, keep growing within the organization. So I think I found it a bit difficult because in order for you to grow, you need somebody to guide you, to show you how the work is been done, despite we have, but because some of our superiors, they might be very busy, and then as a junior staff, you have the challenges of not meeting some of your own goals to grow. That is, I think, I found is a bit challenging as well.
Okay, so do you think when people want to apply working as an expatriate, for example, in overseas, what they have supposed to prepare or what they have to have the skill, especially as the project control or planning engineer? Maybe you can share.
Right. I think first of all, when you are applying for overseas, you have to understand. You have to be very marketable. I mean, you have to be very competitive because you are competing with the local that you are going to work with them. That's first, and you must have special skills in order for you to stand out from the crowd. That's the most important one. And secondly, before even you come here, you have to ensure that the lifestyle, the living style here, in terms of your salary against your living style, if it really will be enough for you, or if let's say you are with the family. So what is the opportunity with the family? Is it the family will be located with you here? Is there any benefit with the family when you are here? How is the school, for example, for the kids? If it happens, you have some kids as well. So you need to consider doing your own analysis before actually coming and accepting the job itself. So I think there are a few challenges, and some, as I mentioned just now, is to focus on the lifestyle and to be a very competitive to ensure that you are really good in doing what actually you're required to do as a job scope. And last but not least, it's also to add some value to what you are doing, because your value actually will show that you have some skills that is actually different from others.
Okay, Hissein, thank you very much for your sharing. One more question, the last one, right? Okay, so do you think this YouTube ORIE'S Expat Life in gathering about of information regarding about the expat, do you think this is good YouTube channel for people who are working in overseas or not?
For me, it is a good platform for us because it might help from different view, from different people, so that whoever up there is looking for a job and wants to explore new place to work, could be in Asia or in other countries as well. I think you should consider some of the feedback from the interviews or from the people, the testimonial. I think it can help them and assist them preparing for them to actually apply overseas and to consider many of the positive and also negative factors.
Okay.
I think it's a very good platform.
Okay, thank you very much, Hissein. One more.
Welcome.
Okay, see you all next time in your mind. Bye bye. You too. Yo, thank you very much. Oke, teman-teman semua, itu sharing dari teman-teman saya so far. Nantikan lagi di YouTube saya video-video menarik lainnya yang kita bisa ambil ilmunya bagaimana teman-teman bisa bekerja di luar negeri ya. Jangan lupa di like, comment, and share sebanyak-banyaknya bila dirasakan manfaatnya. Dan jangan lupa klik lonceng di sebelahnya itu notification-nya supaya teman-teman bisa dapatkan info-info video selanjutnya. Oke, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum.